Hey guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS Black Swan official MV. Yeah, this was released in 2020 March. Yeah, quite recent. So let's start reacting to this. It has this Black Swan name. I have seen that film Black Swan. Let's see if there is any correlation or not. There's also a play Black Swan, but I have not seen that. But I do know the story about it though. So let's see what there is about. Is it different from that or is it something else? Is there a reference or see? Let's see. Okay. Here you go. Logo. Okay, it has a pretty traditional music kind of thing, and I think this is Jimin. Okay, I think he's going to show his full powers towards dancing in this. It has a ballet kind of vibe, obviously, because it is a ballet play. Black Swan. Nice. So they are white swans now. No, they have this black border also in this. So it's kind of in between, I guess. Do your thing with me now, okay? Ah, did you guys see that? That is Jimin. Did you guys see that? That was nice. The ballet thing is incorporated in choreography. I can say that. Let's see. There is a shadow and I think it's Sugar. Okay, the shadow's doing different thing and he's doing different thing. Okay. The heart is no longer races. Okay. So he's worried that his heart is not pumping as much when it used to when he was playing his own music. So I think he's scared about something now. Okay, that would be my first death. I think he's saying that if he can't make music like that again, if he can't feel that happy feeling when he makes his own music, it would be like its first death. Every artist has his first death when he is not able to do what he loves to do, what he's a star for. I think it's like that. It is quite deep. The music is not making the heart beat. Okay. The changes between the black and white and also the transition in the scene is different. Contrast. Oh, they don't want that moment to come right now. I mean, they are at the peak right now, right? Jimin is look at this pose. This is something else. He's looking like a swan. He's so elegant sometimes, really. V in this black hair and all that. He looks so good, my god. Okay. Okay. Crying out the silent cry. Oh my god. The song is not affecting them anymore. Their song is not feeling theirs. That's too much. Nice. Their choreographies are always something else. In this ballet is and all this pumping and all it's going with the music. And Jimin is killing us now with his dance, really. He's the main here. My god, Jin. His voice always is something unique. Feeling it now. Okay, this is the poster moment. Everybody's sitting with style, I guess. And I think the background is like a museum or some sort of museum or something. They're oh my god, really? All of them are giving us poses which will make us die soon. Like really. Did you guys see those wings? They suddenly spouted black wings. God. I think Hosik's part is gonna come now. Oh, the focus is leaving them. They're not able to focus. All their problems, I guess, they're showing that. Everybody has this moment where they're like, I don't want to do this anymore. What will happen? Is it not the same anymore? Something like that. It's like that. Oh, this is so. He's like, let go of my hand. That person is leaving. The music is leaving in something like that. I think it's like that. Why? That's why Sugar did it. They always incorporate such moves in it. I love that. And let me know if I'm right. Sugar's voice and Hosik's voice together, always this duo is something else. It's pretty different. Nice. The shadow. Okay, nice. I saw myself. Okay. Jungkook in this is looking really different here. The wardrobe is different. It's all dark. I think he's representing the Black Swan right now. They all are representing it simultaneously between the white and black. It's like the struggle between the music, I think, of their music and their motivation. Nothing can. They're saying all this is happening, but nothing can devour me. I'll still get out of this and I'll make music like that. I think that's what it is. Let's see what it is. Did you guys see that? Jin and all the mirrors, and he was the only one who looked back in the mirror, didn't just see it again. Yeah, that was a good effect. That was really good effect. Jimin, my god, this guy, how does he's like boneless, god, he does it with such grace. He is the swan in this song. That's why he's coming again and again. Their vocals are crazy, always are. And now when Jimin is doing this with his legs, I don't know how does he do that. He's a trained dancer obviously, but he's so graceful. God, this is kind of slow song. Whoa. The posture is so well done. Even his feet pointing and all. It's pretty great. And they're changing stages again and again. And the transitions are really smooth between Jimin being alone and them. That is such a dangerous thing. I think that's a balcony and he's doing that, which is pretty scary. But the effect is there.
One eternity later.
Jimin looks exhausted, but after doing that, there's a background noise also. I think it's Jimin. Nice. And finally he's gone. I think he stopped. Okay. Okay. What's happening? He was in the center stage and now he's just lying down. I think he's done. Okay. It's a big stage. Okay, the last pose. Okay, is it over? No. The okay. Okay. What was that? The shadow just went down. It was between the shadow and them. I don't know. And then JK just walked off. I think the shadow was their dark thoughts which went away, and he just walked past it. Something like that. It has a deep meaning. I don't know much, but I tried. But if you like my reaction, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section. Please don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get notifications when I put new videos. With